Were any of you here yesterday? Check us out. Oh, there's a lot. Anyway, thank you for coming again. Nice to see you. I've been with KCON since 2017. Over the time, KCON and I both grew, and it feels so special and grateful that we are sharing this moment right now. And every time I come to KCON, I realize the biggest power that completes this stage is your energy. Can I feel that hot energy together with you? Yo, so Thank you very much. So keep this energy, keep going, and I'll be back shortly with an awesome stage. So please look forward to it, and I'm going to introduce the stages of the artists I'm cheering for. First up, there's an artist who has something in common with me. He's also Matyeong in his team, and an icon you can't live out when it comes to performance like ice cream. You can guess who it is, right? And before we make the stage, Isna is getting ready with a special stage for K-Coners. Shall we begin right now, K-Con? So I say K-Con, you say Noja. K-Con!